Welcome to the video. Having organization, a daily routine, and discipline are extremely essential habits for our lives. For this reason, in this video, we'll be diving deep into the topic of how to organize your day and maximize your productivity. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but some people seem to get so much more done than others. If you're feeling overwhelmed or just want to make the most of your time, these tips are for you. Make a to-do list. Write down all the tasks you need to complete for the day and prioritize them. This will help you stay on track and not forget anything important. A to-do list will also give you a sense of accomplishment as you check off each task. Make sure to prioritize your list so that you're completing the most important tasks first. Use a planner. Whether you prefer a physical or digital planner, keeping one is a great way to stay organized. Scheduling your appointments, meetings, and deadlines in a planner will help you see your day at a glance and avoid double booking yourself. A planner can also be a great place to jot down notes and ideas, making it an all-in-one organizational tool. You can get a lot of printable daily planners templates on Google. And also you can get download apps such as ClickUp or Todoist, which you keep track of appointments and deadlines on your phone. Both are available for the App Store and Play Store. Set priorities. Identifying the most important tasks for the day is crucial in achieving your goals. Focus on completing these tasks first before moving on to less pressing tasks. It's also important to prioritize tasks that have deadlines over those that don't. This way, you'll be able to avoid last-minute stress and get everything done on time. Be flexible with your priorities, as unexpected events can arise and require your immediate attention. Eliminate distractions. Technology is very useful to us, but it has its downside. Your phone can distract you very easily. You may get distracted and stop doing the task you started. Turn off notifications on your phone and minimize interruptions while working. This will help you stay focused and get more done in less time. If you find yourself getting easily distracted, try using a white noise machine or headphones with calming music to block out background noise. You can also try working in a quiet location or using the Do Not Disturb function on your phone to minimize interruptions. If you play games on your PlayStation, Xbox, or other console can distract you from your task. You can try hiding the console so you can't see it and stay focused. It will be much easier for you. Applications like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, or WhatsApp Message can disconnect you from your work. That is why it is highly recommended to organize your day and spend time on your hobbies at another time. Do exercise. This way can change your life forever. Regular exercise not only benefits your physical health, but also your mental health. Exercise can help increase blood flow to the brain, leading to improved cognitive function and memory retention. It can also help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Incorporating exercise into your daily routine can help increase energy levels, allowing you to be more productive throughout the day. Finding an exercise routine that works for you is key. If you're not a fan of traditional gym workouts, try exploring different forms of exercise such as yoga, dancing, hiking, or swimming. The most important thing is to find an activity that you enjoy and can commit to on a regular basis. Aim to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. This can include a variety of activities such as brisk walking, strength training, or yoga. If you want to be a professional athlete, remember that it takes time and effort. It's important to stay committed to your goals and continue working toward them even when faced challenges or setbacks. But you should know that your body is not a machine. Rest is just as important to your body as exercise. It is during rest that your body has a chance to repair and rejuvenate itself, allowing us to function at our best. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve your career aspirations and become a successful professional in your chosen sport. But remember that you have other priorities. To recap, let's quickly remember the 5 tips for organizing your day. Make a to-do list. Use a planner. Set priorities. Eliminate distractions. And do exercise. If you follow these tips, you'll be on the right track to good day organization and maximizing your productivity. Thanks for watching this video. Please click like to see the next part and share it with friends or family who might benefit. Until next time.